Alright guys, Big Blue is here. And in celebration I'm wearing my blue shirt too. So the guy set it up and had it leveled in no time. They were really fast too. Very professional. I have this poultry netting going around the entire area where my chickens are going to be, and it's just going to have to be that way from now on. I have those chicken runs that I'm setting up, and I'm going to show you how I put the chicken wire on that in a minute. But let me take you inside here and show you some of the things I'm going to do. As you can see, I got plenty of room in here. Lots of room. I'll be able to get lots of chickens now. Now we're planning on getting about 25 to 30 birds. Not sure what breed to go with. We were thinking of the Golden Comet. Only because I've heard a lot of good things about them. They produce 250 to 300 eggs a year. That's pretty darn good. That's excellent actually, and that's what I'm looking for. It's just about, they're all just basically for eggs. And they're pretty docile and pretty friendly birds, so I'm thinking about that. If you guys know of a good breed that produces a lot of eggs and doesn't go broody that much, pretty docile and all that, let me know in the comments below, okay? So yeah, we got tons of room here. Now this side and this side are just mirrored. They're the exact same thing. Door over here. I'm thinking of putting the roost bars obviously on one side here and the nesting boxes on the other side. I'm going to have the door to go out right about here. I may put the roosting bars on that side and the nesting boxes on this side because I don't want it by the door, the roosting bars. But, and then I've got to put the feeder in here and all that other stuff. So I got lots of work to do. So I'm pretty happy. Like I said, like I said in an earlier video, this is made by Dirksen. The company is Dirksen that makes it. And I'm pretty sure they're nationwide. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure they are. Super good quality. I mean, when you look at the way the studs are 16 inches on center, it's almost like you would frame a house basically, good quality. And if you notice, there's metal siding on the outside, but they also have the OSB here. So, and if you watch my other videos where I went to other places, the other sheds were just framed in and then they put the outside metal sheeting, and there's no wood, there's no OSB or nothing, no plywood. So this is sturdy, it even sounds nice because of the wood and the metal siding on it. So the chicken runs. Let me show you how we put the chicken wire on it and the tarp and all that. And so let me show you how I did that. So here I am cutting the chicken wire to 230-inch length for the tops of the chicken run. Now we're going to connect the chicken wire using this wire that they provide for you, and it is plastic or rubber coated wire, and it's pretty good. Now they do give you these zip ties, but they're very flimsy, very cheap, and I didn't use them. So here we're taking the chicken wire we just cut to 230 inches and we're putting it over the top of the chicken run, and it's going to go from the bottom of one side over the top and down on the other side to the bottom of the chicken run again. So I cut another piece to 121 inches in length, and I'm putting it on the ends of the chicken run. basically what we're going to do is connect it from one end and stretch it all the way across to the other end. And then what we want to do here is at the very top, we want to get a wire and secure it at the top so it doesn't come falling down. Now you just want to get the wire and start tying down the chicken wire from one end to the other, kind of stretching it as you do it. And next I'm putting on the tarp. It's kind of a nylon-y type tarp material. And we're going to put that on the top here, get it all laid out. Now they gave you these bungee type straps, and that's what we're going to use to hold it down. So here I'm putting it through the grommets, and I'm wrapping it around the pole and just securing it on like that. On the outside, that's what you would do, like that. Now for those areas you can't reach from the outside, you can put these bungee straps in on the inside like this. Now on the other end of the chicken run, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to cut a piece to 121 inches in length, and we're going to connect it on both sides. Then we're going to secure it at the top so it doesn't fall down. And we're going to wire it all the way around, pulling it tight as we're doing it too. Now the corner flaps that I'm straightening out right there, we just left those and just hung it over the top of the run. Or you can cut them off if you want. Now I'm wiring the chicken wire to the gate itself, and you want to do the gate and you want to wire the chicken wire to also the chicken run. Now we're going to cut the chicken wire and separate it from the gate and the chicken run itself. But I'm going to leave the chicken wire on the hinge side intact. It'll provide extra protection that way. Alright, so we got one of the runs done. Now we pushed it up against where it's supposed to be, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut out an opening in the fence up against the other run where I have my automatic door opener there. I'm going to connect it. I'm going to cut the hole out, connect it. I'm going to staple this chicken wire up to the door and cut it out, and we'll have the chickens come in here while we work on this one here and have them explore the new area. Alright guys, this is my automatic chicken door opener on the other side. It's connected to the other run. You know, I did a video on this. I'm going to put a link to that right up here. So what I'm going to do now is connect the two together. So what I'm going to do is staple this to this board here, and that is to keep the chickens from going in between the two runs. We don't want that. Okay. All right, now we're gonna cut all this. Let me get some of these ones that poke out of the way. I don't want them to go poking themselves. That should do it. All right, I haven't opened this door up in many, many months. We'll see if it's still working. All right, guys, so this is my automatic chicken door opener. It's from Ladies First Chicken Door. I put one on my coop, and this one here is the original one, but I put the newer model on the coop, and it's been working flawlessly. Okay, so we're gonna open this one up. This originally I put on here so they can go out into the paddock area, but a hawk ended up killing one, so that's why I'm doing all this and putting that run out there, those runs, and also expanding. I don't want hawks. I see hawks here almost every day. So anyways, let's open this up. And in case you're wondering, this here has got closed, auto, and open. So right now it's on auto, and there's a solar panel right here, and that charges the battery and also opens and closes the door. So when this detects light and starts generating electricity, it opens the door. When it doesn't detect light anymore and stops generating electricity, the batteries take over and it shuts the door. And it also keeps the batteries topped off. So now let's see. Let's see if they're kind of freaked out right now, but we'll see if they end up going out into the new run. Come on, rooster.
There you go.
There she goes. See how chicken that rooster is? I'll let her go out first before I go out, make sure things are okay.
I'll just stay here for now.
Yeah.
If everything is okay, I'll come out too.
I'll let the ladies go. Ladies first, of course.
Yeah, I'll wait at the door.
Yeah. I'll hold the door open for them.
Yeah.
Yeah, so this is definitely a success. So that's good. Well, as you can see, it looks like these are going to work really good. Now, I know a lot of these are going to say this is chicken wire. The coyotes, bears, mountain lions, whatever, they're going to, you know, rip into this. I understand that. This here is not designed to protect them from bears and coyotes and mountain lions and all those kind of things. It's just chicken wire. My main concern was hawks. I have a huge hawk problem here. So this is going to work perfectly. Now, to keep the coyote, well, I have also a bad coyote problem here, and raccoons and possums and all that stuff. That's what the electric fence is for, going all the way around the perimeter here. So this is going to work out really good. They're going to be protected from the hawks. The fence is going to protect them from the other four-legged predators. And then at night they're going to be in a very protective shed, their own chicken coop, and it should work out really good for what I need. Okay, for your situation it might be a little different, but honestly, for most cases, I think this is going to work out for anybody, no matter what kind of animals you got. That fence, believe it or not, when they get shocked, even a bear gets shocked in the nose, it goes running off. So I think it'll work out really, really good. All right, guys, so I have yet this one to do. This should go up. It's a little tedious work putting that chicken wire up, but it does go up pretty quick. It's just a little bit of a pain because once it gets snagged everywhere when you're trying to pull it across the top. But it goes by pretty quick. And that is it, guys. So I have yet this to do. I'll be having tons more videos on the roost bars and the nesting box and boxes, putting the door in, and just a ton of other work I got to do to that shed. In the meantime, I'm going to finish this up and then start working on the shed and get things ready. So guys, that's it for this video. I appreciate you watching. Please like, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.